Well, hello there. How's Hogwarts been treating you? Not too badly, I hope. Excited for Christmas? I simply love this season, and having the holiday right before the end of the year is just a cherry on top, if I may say so myself. Any thoughts on what you're getting? Maybe a better question is what you'll be getting me. I'm joking, of course. Unless... Is something wrong? I hadn't noticed before, but you are seeming a little pale. Did Peeves do something again? That ghost is worse than the Weasley twins, I swear. No, not Peeves. Was it Quidditch? Or maybe you broke your wand. What's wrong? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Good. I'm glad that you've come to your senses. Now, what's the matter? It can't be that bad. It's not like you were bitten by a venomous tentacula or something. Oh no. You were actually bitten by a venomous tentacula? What did Madame Pomfrey say? Wait. You have gone to see her, right? Why not? Venomous tentacula is extremely dangerous. How did a first year like you even get your hands on it? In all honesty, I would love to work with... Okay, I won't ramble. So you didn't visit Pomfrey because you broke the rules. Well, I think you might have to take the punishment for this one. It could be really dangerous if you don't get this checked out, and whatever points you lose aren't worth your life. Wait. So, your house is almost first for the house cup, and how many points have you lost already? 100. And... okay. Well, that is an issue. Maybe I could take a look at it. Professor Sprout does say that my herbology skills are that of a level 6 year, and that it is when students get to work with venomous tentacula. How about this? You go and wait in that abandoned classroom on the 3rd floor. The one that used to have a big dog in it or something? I'm not sure. Start a fire, get cozy, while I grab some supplies from the Hufflepuff common room. I'll meet you there, and see what I can do about that nasty bite. Alright? See you soon. Well, let's get to work. If you wouldn't mind undoing those bandages. Did you do these yourself? Well, it was a good first try. I will need to be in contact with the area of the bite, if you want me to do anything about it. Well, it doesn't seem too terrible. Oh, I'm sorry. I bet it's painful. But I'm sure that you were only bitten by a sproutling. How did I know? Well, if a fully grown tentacula bit you, you would either be very unconscious or dead right about now. Now don't freak out, as I said. Since it was just a sproutling, I can fix you right up. To start off, I think I need to clean the wound first. Let me check to make sure that normal water is fine, and that I don't need some special potion. Looks like normal water will be fine. So I'll just fill this bowl and wipe the area down with a wet cloth. Aguamenti. Sorry about that. I'll try to be more gentle. I'm sure it hurts. Don't worry. After I make sure it's all clean, I'll be applying a bit of salve and a few drops of a potion, and the pain should stop fading. Seems clean to me. Time to make that salve. Ah, yes, I did say make. There wasn't exactly a container of anti-tentacular salve, so I will have to make some. Oh, don't worry, a pretty little head. It'll only take a minute. It's strange how students aren't allowed to work with tentacula until 6th year, but the salve bites is simple enough that I'm sure even a first year could make it. Here we go. All done. So, what I'm going to do is gently rub against the skin surrounding the bite. I won't be touching the bite itself. That's where the potion will come in. It's fairly simple in all honesty. The salve calms the flesh skin, and the potion allows the healing qualities of the salve into the blood, without me having to rub and touch your ouchie. Now, let me see that arm. Hogwarts, Hogwarts, Hogwarts. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just so catchy. Or is that just me? Ah, sorry. I didn't mean to touch you there. I wouldn't have if someone wasn't squirming. But, sorry. I just really need you to hold still, if you please. And we're done. Wow, look. It seems much better than before, right? It's faded to a pink instead of that angry bright red. Once I add the potion, I'll properly bandage you this time. It will take a little time, but it should be back to normal faster than you'd think. I meant to ask you, but what were you doing with that tentacula anyways? I know herbology is exciting, so I don't really blame you for that. Wait, for the exams? You're studying overtime. I remember my first exams. I was pretty nervous too. Well, you should have asked me for help. Of course I'll study with you. What else are schoolmates for? I love herbology, and I love helping, so it's a perfect duo. Are you free tomorrow, after 3rd period? What a great coincidence that we both have free periods then. Let's meet in the library. Now, don't you huff at me about the library. I know it can be pretty boring in there, and I know you'd rather be anywhere else, but the library is great for studying, even for herbology. I know some books that really helped me in my first year exams, and I'm sure that they'll help you. With my guidance and assistance, of course. Now, this potion needs to brew for a little bit, but it finishes really quite quickly. Huh? Sorry, what did you say? What do I want for Christmas? Well, I think my parents are getting me a fancy dragon hide gloves, and Milo is getting me a weird and/or unique book, because that's kind of his MO on gifts. Not really sure what Jimmy's getting me, but I'm sure I'll love it. Why do you ask? Oh, are you thinking of getting me something? For helping you out? Oh, I'm sure that's the only reason. What? Huh? Oh no, I didn't say anything. Well, I think I'll leave the gift up to you. I want a surprise from my favorite first year. Now, I think the potion is finished. Feeling better? It should feel better and better as time goes on, until the pain stops completely. The swelling and slight rash might last for a little bit, but they will fade as well. Now, before I forget, let me bandage this up. That wrapping could challenge Madame Pomfrey's, I think. Well, maybe not. But it still looks better than it was before. Sorry. I guess it was good that you at least covered it up. Now that we're finished with that, I do have a meeting with the dueling club, and they always hate it when I'm late. Now, don't forget about tomorrow. Library, after 3rd period. See you then!